Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial video. So in this video I'm going to share with you another secret app which is free and then available worldwide, where you can earn money by just watching 30 seconds ads. Okay, this is free, straightforward. Once you watch the ad, you get paid immediately. There's no need for a review, unlike the previous video I showed you. Okay, right, so in case you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notification, because these are the videos we've been uploading for the past couple of weeks, and then we'll keep on uploading these videos for the upcoming weeks. Okay, so make sure to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification so that you don't miss out on our future videos. And then let's get right into this video. So for this video, as I initially stated, you get paid for what? Watching 30-second ads. Okay, so I'll leave a link to that application in the video description. You can just click on that and then go straight into downloading this app. Now this app is for both Android and iOS users. Okay, so you have nothing to worry about, and then you can use it worldwide, and then it's also free. Okay, so without further much ado, let's go into a simple tutorial on how to use the app. Okay, now this is the app. Okay, so once you download the app, they will tell you to sign up. Now after signing up, it's very simple. You just use username and password. Okay, you just use a username and then a password. Now this is how the app looks like. You can notice that I've not done much. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys before I proceed with the tag, so that after that I'll also make another video on how to withdraw this money. Okay, it's very simple and straightforward. Okay, now let's proceed. No, after clicking on the link in the video description or pinned comment and then downloading this app, okay, you'll be able to sign up. So after the sign up process, you just need your your email and password to sign up. It's just simple and straightforward. Now after signing up, you notice that you have to verify your email. Okay, just go ahead and verify your email, and then from here you could just add some basic information about yourself. Okay, now after that, just come to click on this button over here. So you can notice that this is where you earn your analytics, your billings, and then others. Now we are most focused on the earning. Okay, so just click on earn, click on earn. So that's where you get the money. Now you can earn money playing games. Now you choose which one you want. So once you get to 100 points when it for playing games, you get $1. Okay, once you fill out a survey, you get paid. Okay, you watch videos, you get paid. Online shopping, you get paid. But among all these, the one which pays a lot, okay, is the watching videos app. Now I will also show you how to double up this money. Okay, now so once you get to this point, just click on earn. Okay, this will pop up. Okay, just click on Fiber. Okay, click on this one, click on that. Okay, now you'll verify whether you are a robot or not. Most definitely you are not a robot, so click on I'm not a robot, and then you verify. Okay, you are saying that select cars. Okay, just select cars, and then you proceed. Very simple and straightforward. Okay, so you are not a robot, so you verify. Now they are saying that
hey, come and take a look. Come and see my vegetables. Hey, that's my phone.
How long does it take for you to earn $10,000?
I can't earn $10,000 no matter how long I work.
I downloaded Chips Puzzle Master for you. You can make money by playing games in your free time.
Wow, I received $100 as soon as I went online. It's really in my account.
Everyone in front of the screen can give it a try. The download link is right below the video. Get a $100 new user bonus upon logging in. The more you play, the more you earn. Come and claim your $100.
Okay, so this is how the app looks like. After that, you just click on okay, just click on done, and then you click on this. Okay, click on the time sign. Now you can notice that they are telling us to watch another video so that you get 0.5 points. Now for every single video you watch, you get $0.01. That's something like 1 cent. Okay, so let's go back to our dashboard. Okay, so once you watch the video, you get 0.01. okay, now let me show you how you get paid. Okay, now so once we watch this 30 seconds video, we get 0.6 points, which is equivalent to what, $0.01. That's maybe 1 cent or so. Okay, now this is how you double up your earnings. So imagine watching these 30-second videos for 8 hours. Okay, you don't do much, you just watch it for 8 hours, and then you multiply that by that amount, you'll be earning around $200. Okay, and then just watching these 30 seconds videos for maybe 15 hours a day, you'll be earning around $400. Okay, you see how lucrative this is. Okay, you can just combine this app with other apps I've already showed you, okay, to earn money. Okay, so let's gain this 0.6 points. Okay,
Hey, come and take a look. Come and see my vegetables. Hey, that's my phone.
How long does it take for you to earn $10,000?
I can't earn $10,000 no matter how long I work.
I downloaded Chips Puzzle Master for you. You can make money by playing games in your free time.
Wow, I received $100 as soon as I went online. It's really in my account.
Everyone in front of the screen can give it a try. The download link is right below the video. Get a $100 new user bonus upon logging in. The more you play, the more you earn. Come and claim your $100.
Okay, click on that, and then this one will load up, and then you click on the time sign up here. Okay, now in our next video I'll also show you how to watch YouTube videos and earn money. Okay, not only YouTube videos, just general videos, okay, and earn money. So make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notification. So click on this time sign, you come back, so you can notice that we've earned what, entire video correctly. Now for this site you have to watch the entire video. Okay, so in case you watch partial a bit of the video and then you just quit that video, you won't get paid. Okay, so let's go back. They are telling us to watch another 30 seconds video and get 0.5 points. So for this you can just put this on, maybe watching a Netflix video or series. Just click on start watching. After the 30 seconds is up, you click on another one, you keep on watching that. Okay, it's very simple and straightforward. So let's look at our dashboard to notice that this has been updated. Okay, it's very simple and straightforward. Okay, so I'll see you in our next video.